Hello, welcome. 2025 September WASSCE edition for the Ghanaian students. This is the core mathematics or the general mathematics. Let's look at some of the objective text questions. Mr. Jan bought a car which cost $18,800 and later sold it at 85% of the original cost. He spent $3,930 dollars 75 cents from the money he received from the sales of the car and invested the remaining at 18% per annum simple interest. So how much interest did he earn in 9 years? So let's focus on the last part of the question. We're looking for the interest. How do you find simple interest? The simple interest is just the product of the principal times the time and the rate. So the rate is 18% and the time is in 9 years. Then we need to know what is the principal, what amount did he invested, because obviously you don't invest the 16,000, which is the cost price of the car. Then we also know that he didn't invest this is what he spent out of selling the car. So we need to know what is the selling price of the car and what is the remaining amount after the 3,000 has been spent. That will give us the call for the principal, right? So what do? We can start by looking for the cost price of the car, which is still the original price of the car, is giving us the $16,800. Then out of that, we are going to look for the selling price of that car. And the selling price. So if I find the selling price is 85% of the original price, which is the 85% of the cost price. So that means I have my 85%. Let me just indicate as a fraction of the original price, which is 16,800. This is actually A, so we can work as easy steps as possible. Let me rewrite this so that it will look like 8. Okay, so that simply means 85 times all of this divided by 100, or 100 already dividing this, multiply 85 by what? 168. We can do that on our calculator and see the amount. $14,280. That should be the selling price. So this is what the car will have been sold for. So after receiving this money, he spent 3,930 out of it. So amount left. Amount left or remaining. Okay, left will be simple step to go. That is going to be what I receive is 14,280 minus what I spent, 3,930 and 75 cents. Let's do that. So $10,349 dollars and 25 cents. So this amount is what is left. What is he saying? The money received, he spent this, the money received from the sales of the car, and invested the remaining amount, invested this. So this means that the principal is now going to be 10,349.25 cents. Then we can also think of the rate of simple interest, that's 18%. We can think about the time as well as what? 9 years. So simple interest, which is the principal times the rate times time, expressed as what? A percentage, not expressed as a percent anyway, because the rate is in percentage, so we can keep that in mind. So this means that as you have principal 10,349.25, the rate 18 times 9 divided by what? 100, because of space and time. I'll just put all this in the calculator and find the final result. And if you look through the possible answers, let's see. The possible answer is going to be the option what? C. So if you check that on the question paper, it could be on different options since we are doing serialization of the possible answers, but the question is the same. The possible answer is what will change, but the solution is what? 16,765 dollars 79 what cent. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for the continuation.